Alright, the alarm keeps going off on this thing. Let's see. The battery keeps dying when it sits. Told my wife, come clean this stuff. Look at this. Let's clean that and see what happens. See if it fixes the problem. I'll do an update on this. Look at how nasty this thing is. All these need to make a connection, it looks like, and some of those don't look too good. Okay, what's inside here? Is there a button that pushes on? Oh, and then you got that latch, which I don't think's a button. But these look really dirty. Bzz. That one feels good. Ooh, that one looks really gross. That bottom one. Some of those need to be cleaned with sandpaper, it looks like. Oh, that's not even sliding all the way back. There, now it's back. Look at all that crud. That one feels good. Could oil these. This relay was clicking. Something to do with that one right there.